Hello everyone, I'm Jovita and I'm Felita
in Chinese Mandarin.
and today we are going to talk about something that we all love, hobbies. And guess what? Learning how to talk about your favorite hobbies in Chinese is easier than you think. By the end of this video, you'll be able to share what you love doing in Chinese.
Ready? Let's get started.
你有什么爱好？你有什么爱好？你 you 有 have 什么 what 爱好 hobbies so when all combined 你有什么爱好 What are your hobbies? Repeat after me 你有什么爱好To ask someone's hobbies, we can also say
你的爱好是什么？
你的爱好是什么？你的 your 爱好 hobbies 是 are 什么 what When all combined 你的爱好是什么 It means the same. What are your hobbies? Repeat after me. 你的爱好是什么？Next,
我喜欢画画和看电影。
我喜欢画画和看电影。我爱喜欢 like 画画 drawing 和 and 看 watching 电影 movies. So when all combined, 我喜欢画画和看电影 I like drawing and watching movies. Repeat after me. 我喜欢画画和看电影。Next,
我也喜欢看电影。
我也喜欢看电影。我 I 也 also 喜欢 like 看 watching 电影 movies. So when all combined, 我也喜欢看电影。I like watching movies too. Repeat after me. 我也喜欢看电影。Next,
你喜欢看什么电影？
你喜欢看什么电影？你 you 喜欢 like 看 watching 什么 what 电影 movies. So when all combined, 你喜欢看什么电影？ What kind of movies do you like? Repeat after me. 你喜欢看什么电影？ Next,
我喜欢看爱情片。你呢？
我喜欢看爱情片。你呢？我 I 喜欢 like 看 watching 爱情片 romance movies. 你呢？ How about you? So when all combined, 我喜欢看爱情片。你呢？ I like watching romance movies. How about you? Repeat after me. 我喜欢看爱情片。你呢？Next,
我喜欢看喜剧片。
我喜欢看喜剧片。我 I 喜欢 like 看 watching 喜剧片 comedy movies. So when all combined, 我喜欢看喜剧片 I like watching comedy movies. Repeat after me. 我喜欢看喜剧片。Next,
你周末喜欢做什么？
你周末喜欢做什么？你 you 周末 weekend 喜欢 like 做 do 什么 what So when all combined 你周末喜欢做什么 What do you do on weekend? Repeat after me 你周末喜欢做什么We can also say 你周末都做什么？你 you 周末 weekend 都 or 做 do 什么 what When all combined 你周末都做什么 It means the same. What do you do on weekend? Repeat after me. 你周末都做什么 Next,
我喜欢和家人一起逛商场，你呢？
我喜欢和家人一起逛商场，你呢？我 I 喜欢 like 和 with 家人 family 一起 together 逛 stroll 商场 shopping mall 你呢 How about you? So when all combined 我喜欢和家人一起逛商场你呢 I like going to the mall with my family and you? Repeat after me. 我喜欢和家人一起逛商场，你呢？Next,
我喜欢打羽毛球，
我喜欢打羽毛球。我 I 喜欢 like 打羽毛球 play badminton. So when all combined, 我喜欢打羽毛球。I like playing badminton. Repeat after me. 我喜欢打羽毛球。Next,
是吗？
是吗 ？Really? Repeat after me. 是吗？
那这个周末我们一起打羽毛球怎么样？
那这个周末我们一起打羽毛球怎么样？那 then 这个 this 周末 weekend 我们 we 一起 together 打羽毛球 play badminton 怎么样 how So when all combined 那这个周末我们一起打羽毛球怎么样 Then how about we play badminton together this weekend? Repeat after me. 那这个周末我们一起打羽毛球怎么样 Next,
好啊，
好啊 Sure, repeat after me. 好啊 Let's practice the conversation.
你有什么爱好？我喜欢画画和看电影。我也喜欢看电影。 你喜欢看什么电影？我喜欢看爱情片，你呢？我喜欢看喜剧片。你周末喜欢做什么？我喜欢和家人一起逛商场，你呢？我喜欢打羽毛球。是吗？那这个周末我们一起打羽毛球怎么样？好啊。
Okay friends, now you can talk about your hobbies in Chinese. So next time someone asks you 你有什么爱好, you'll be ready with your answer. Don't forget to practice and share your favorite hobbies with friends who are also learning Chinese. If you enjoyed today's lesson, be sure to like and subscribe. Write down in the comment below for the topic of the next video.
再见。